Yeah, fried them chicken breasts in that large 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker. It's made in America by the good folks down in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, my friends. Fry up some French fries, couple bell peppers, couple onions. For the foreign dude, I have no idea what this woman has in here. There's obviously some rice. I got no idea. No idea what she's got going on there. But I know exactly what I got going on. It's called deliciousness. The baby's over here. Just went to the store, got him a snack. They're over there sharing some snacks and some chips. And then they're not gonna want to eat. My goodness, 4th G. Maria, you babies are eating those cookies. You're supposed to be eating dinner. My goodness. All right, get into the cooler here. See what we got. Pull that bread out, make sure that's still good. If it is, we'll use it. Hey, no feet on my cooler. Okay, right here. Get the chili, the ginger. You know what I'm going after. Add a little sesame oil. Y'all know, I ain't doing no cooking without the proper hydration. Get on this tree. Look at this. Folks, how can you beat this? Just reach over my cooking station, grab me a lime, calamansi. Little calamansi's here. Put in that sandbag light. Fresh calamansi straight off the vine. Smells like weed. All right, check it out. Old lady's done a little breading on here. Those are some big cuts. My goodness, why she didn't cut that thing in half. It's gonna take forever to fry that bad boy up. Oh shit. Man, it wasn't hot enough. Be still, man. I'm trying to hold an iPhone. You know, folks. Okay, you gonna play the hard way. Guillotine that calamansi. Get in there, get in my belly. Squeeze the bottom one. Turn them around. Squeeze the top one. You can go to C. Oh, Lord, shut the iPhone. All right, let's start the sizzle sizzle. Got a little tiny piece there. Chop that dude over in there. I'm gonna try to put them all in there. The old lady don't like it when I crowd the swimming pool. But it's in the essence of time. What has she done? Did she even chop any of these up? I don't know. Baby, did you chop this chicken up or what?
Just kidding.
Man, woman, I have no idea what you did, because you certainly didn't chop this chicken up.
I chopped the little piece.
Look at this big old piece here. It's like a whole chicken. I can't even grab it. What are you trying to do to my beloved cooking show? I can't fit no more. This last dude. What do you think, baby? Put that last dude in there or no? Huh?
No.
Not gonna fit? Too chubby. Too many players in that swimming pool. I forgot to spice those. You know, I'll just spice mine up here. Hit it with the chili. This would be spicy chicken here. Like Popeyes, like a Popeyes sandwich. Oh man, he likes some Popeye sandwiches. I like Popeyes too. Well, the old lady says these things are done, but they're so thick. I'm gonna take them out right now, but I think what I'm gonna do is double fry them. Just set that dude over there. They're just so thick. I don't know why she left them thick like that. Maybe she was, I don't know. She left them thick because she knows I like big. Said I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Check that out right there. All right, dude. Time to get up in the swimming pool. Let's do it. You are late for the party. Look at that, perfect temp. Perfect temp. Not nothing too crazy. Just a perfect temperature. Oh, whoa! Get in there. Put that onion up in there. Get in there. Get this other onion. I'm gonna go with a bell pepper. Baby, gonna put them in there whole?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Get in the pool, baby. That thing might blow though. It might explode. Look at that. All right, instead of putting the pop filter, just put it there to keep the fly filter. You don't want the grease popping, you put it there. You don't want the flies popping, you put it there. See, look at this. Fatima is addicted to westerns and these damn crime shows. My goodness. Baby, you want to move to America? Huh? Baby, why you always cackling like a chicken, baby? Hey, dude, that was my potato juice, man. I'm just kidding, son. I wasn't going to do nothing with that, but I was going to... You just going to do a mic drop and roll out? What's up with that, man? Folks, let me show you a built-in feature of my grill. I didn't realize it. Let me try to get the right angle. You know what, baby? Come over here and film for me. Just hold this right here. Folks, I'm always looking for a bottle opener, right? Just hold it right there. Right there. Get the right angle on the dangle. Let me just show you this. All you do is pick up here on the firebox. Now you laughing now? Get out of there, girl. It's not ready yet. Take a taste on that tater, baby. Come on now, taste the tater.
Go. It's hot.
Go ahead, take a big old bite. Come on now. Is it done?
Yeah.
It's done? Of course, she's over there with soccer ball coming out of the jungle. Long time gone. Oh yeah, those look delicious. Let's go ahead and kill the gas. Damn it, I forgot. I gotta fry that bread. I secured tube 2 before it was time. Now I gotta fire it back up. Darn it. Reflood tube 2. Hell yeah, check out them fries. They're absolutely perfect. Dropping in a little garlic toast and frying it up. I'm not messing around. I'm not messing around. I think I can get 3 players in there. Come on. Oh shit, don't burn myself. Get it in there. Hell yeah, got the Dixie Chicks. Not ready to make nice. Folks, I just saw a Jollibee commercial. That Jollibee commercial just sealed it for me. I don't want to see no more Jollibee commercials. I'm going with the YouTube Premium. I'm signing up tonight because I don't want to see any more Jollibee commercials. Baby, no more Jollibee commercials. Croutons. Them jokes right there. Little crispy croutons. Crispy croutons. Crispy croutons. I'm gonna do a little better on these. I ain't messing around on these. I'm flipping these quickly. Look at that, boom. Flipping them quick. Got the grease too hot. Look at that. Just pull it out quick. That didn't take too long at all right there. Throw some butter on it. All right, what we got here? Oh, Lord, I had a debacle, a catastrophe. Get the coconut chopper. Look at that, folks. I tell you, if you don't have a coconut chopper for your cooking operation, you don't know. Look at that shit. Now, I could be using a butter knife, but if I use a butter knife, I'd have to apply too much manual pressure. I probably could not operate an iPhone. So Gordon motherfucking Ramsay can't put butter on fried toast with one motherfucking hand. Like I got skills, folks. I'm across. Nah, I got more skills. Steven Spielberg, Gordon Ramsay, Paula Dean, Anthony Bourdain. Lost one over there. Back on there, dog. There you go. And just go ahead and feel free to melt. Feel free to melt down. Secure the coconut chopper. Weapon is secure. Oh, this is what I'm working with right here. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Oh yeah, get a little more butter on here. Let's go on the wrist. Folks, I want to thank y'all for joining me on tonight's little quick video. Take a taster here on my own medicine.
What own medicine?
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Get the fried onion skin right there. Gordon Ramsay don't know nothing about that. Look, ain't nobody else gonna eat my fried bell pepper. Let me just show you. Look at that. Delicious. That's like a chicken, onion, bell pepper crouton with butter on it. Oh my God, that's delicious. For the coup de grace, I don't even know where to bite. That chicken right there is so damn delicious. I'm gonna cook it again, but all I need is a different sauces. Blue cheese, garlic parmesan, some real hot sauce. My gosh. Right now, all I got on the sauce is some ketchup. Shout out to Heinz for making this tomato ketchup. Delicious. I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for being here. Have a great eating. Peace out, my friends. I gotta eat.